Why does your scanner show the P0971 engine code? What does it mean? P0971 is a diagnostic trouble code for Pressure Control Solenoid C control circuit high. This engine code indicates that it signifies a high voltage condition in this circuit. This usually points to issues with the solenoid itself, the wiring, or the valve body. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Malfunctioning pressure control solenoid, wiring and connector issues, transmission fluid issues, transmission pump issues, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Subaru vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.